Alrighty, so today we're going to be looking at completing the square so that we can convert from other forms to the turning point form. In this case, we've got a general and we've got a root form, and we want to convert to the turning point form. So for the first one, we're just going to do a straight completing the square. So the middle term is 6x, or minus 6. So we're going to half minus 6 square it. So we're going to add minus 6 onto squared. We're going to subtract minus 6 onto squared, and the plus 2 just hangs out on the end. These three make a special trifecta, which means we can use the completing the square rule. So we get x minus 6 on 2 is just negative 3. So it's 6 minus 3 squared minus, and then we have minus 6 on 2 squared plus 2. Now we just need to clean up the end, and we get y is equal to x minus 3 squared. Negative 6 on 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9, so it's minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. And there it is. Turning point is 3, negative 7. You can check it on your graphics calculator if you want. Second one. It's in root form, and with root form, the first thing we need to do is expand. Now, I'm not actually going to expand the entire thing. I'm actually going to keep that negative out the front, because remember, when doing completing the square, it's very useful to actually have any common factors already just left out the front, and we'll just deal with the rest what's inside. So let's go through and have a look. So let's expand out those brackets first. So we're going to get x squared minus 5x, 3x minus 15. I could expand the brackets now, but again, I'm not going to expand the outer brackets. I'm going to leave those. Clean it up. Minus 2x minus 15. Minus 5x plus 3x. Now, the b term here is minus 2. So halve it, square it. Minus 2 on 2 squared plus minus half on 2 squared. Minus 15's hanging out, and the right bracket closes off the left bracket. Now, using the rule, these three will now collapse into our x minus negative 2 on 2, 2 on 2, which is just 1 squared, minus 2 on 2 squared, well, that's just minus 1 squared, which is just 1 minus 15. I'm going to clean up the last bit inside the brackets before expanding our outer brackets. It's going to be minus 16. And now I'm going to expand this bracket, so this is going to become minus, this is going to become minus, and we are left with minus x minus 1 squared plus 16. And there is how to convert from root form into turning point form. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.